My name is Nick Harris, and I live here with my family, and we're up in the Highlands in Boise, Idaho. I've looked around and I've talked to a bunch of different solar installers. I liked the philosophies at EGT. They weren't focused on the financing aspect of solar installation. They approach it as a business of providing power. And the benefit to the consumer is by providing a consistent, high quality product that does what it's meant to do. I've been looking at alternative power for a while, and I think what accelerated that decision making was we're currently facing a pretty big uptick in power demand, and it's only just started. And I've been through many different power outages over my life, and they're not fun. So I wanted to take action. That's why I opted for solar and battery. They've been highly professional. I think from the get-go, there was a setting of expectation, and more importantly, a meeting of those expectations in terms of timeline, the framework of how things were going to happen, when and how, and it's been delivered. If you want to provide for your family in an era of rising power prices, it's the only consistent method of energy production that you can localize. We chose EGT because I know the company and its management personally, and have confidence in their ability to deliver high quality product.